Traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. It is Friday, August 12th, Crop Report Day, here to talk to you about the agriculture of the crop markets, corn, soybeans, and wheat in particular. So the corn market, we'll get our first read of yields of U.S. corn here in about 1 hour time. So we'll see about that. It's interesting that Landworth, the satellite imagery company, they have the lowest corn yields of anybody. So perhaps this corn crop from the air is not as good as it is from the ground. So we'll see about that. Nonetheless, a good corn crop in the making here. We got rain here in northern Illinois as we speak, finishing off this corn crop. Real critical for the soybean market to get some rains here next week. So soybeans, again, we'll get this August 12th crop report at 11 a.m., about 1 hour from now. And it's real interesting with the demand pace of soybeans, just on a torrid pace. We're approximately 25% ahead of last year's soybean export pace. So going into Wednesday, we had 7 consecutive days of USDA announcements of U.S. soybean export. Wednesday, we didn't get any, so that broke the winning streak. And now yesterday, good export sales, good exports announcements yesterday. U.S. soybean sales to China, soybean meal sales to Mexico. Really good story. The rumor is that these U.S. soy exports are going to continue very, very strong because of South America's limited supply of soybeans. So we're certainly seeing this in the making. No doubt about it, though, the next 4 or 5 weeks weather-wise are still really critical to the U.S. soybean production. And it's so important on the world scene. So we're going to keep talking about that. The wheat market, we've got some snafus in Europe. Yields are down in Europe, and it's going to take more than that to really move the wheat market. We're very good at moving wheat around the world here, and the one thing that is bullish, in my opinion, is the big short position in wheat. So that makes wheat, the selling gets crowded in wheat and makes wheat go higher on short covering. So stay tuned here now. We'll get this report out at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time, 1 hour from now, and if you want to call me and talk about it, it'll be interesting. And then going forward here, real critical next week that we get these rains that they're talking about. Everybody have an excellent weekend.